This segment is sponsored by Sunset Retirement Communities and Services. Well, while we celebrate the holidays, we should also take notice to those battling dementia. 5.7 million Americans currently live with Alzheimer's, and it's projected that by 2025, 6,000 adults in Kent and Ottawa County will need special facilities to combat this disease. Today, we welcome Dr. Dan Gowdy, VP of Development at Sunset, and Angie Russo, Director of Recreational Therapy at the Waterford Place Memory Care. Well, thank you both so much for coming today, and it's Alzheimer's Awareness Month, so yay, perfect timing. Dr. Gowdy, can you start by talking to me about what you're doing over there at Waterford Place?
Yeah, a dementia diagnosis is devastating for families, and Waterford Place Specialized Memory Care is flipping the script on what it means to live with dementia and expanding expectations and actually bringing hope to families. There's no cure for Alzheimer's.
Right.
In fact, the medications out there, they don't cure the damage or even prevent the progression of the destruction that happens to those neurons by Alzheimer's. And what we've done is that same talent that used to be a Waterford rehab unit, 5-star rehab unit, #1 in the area for outcomes, we've transformed that community into a specialized memory care program, and they've adopted a whole suite of cognitive therapies, including cyto-learning therapy, that's improving lives and bringing hope to people living with dementia.
Wonderful, and I love that you mentioned cyto-learning therapy because I know that's huge in this community. Angie, can you talk to me a little bit deeper into what that is?
Yes, cyto-learning is a non-pharmaceutical intervention that has been scientifically shown to reverse and improve symptoms with dementia. So cyto-learning, our learners is what we call them. A certified supporter would engage them in simple arithmetic, reading, numbers, and they would go through that 5 days a week for 30 minutes a day. And that stimulates that prefrontal cortex of the brain and helps with that. So anyone at any stage of dementia, from early onset to the later stages of dementia, can benefit from this.
Wonderful. And so what success have you seen with this so far?
We have seen some great successes within our community and our residents. We have a gentleman by the name of Gary who had actually failed at 2 other memory care facilities.
Wow.
And then when he came to us and we were able to get him in the memory care programming and cyto-learning, it's been amazing in the past 2 months to see what he's done.
Absolutely.
So he's been able to engage in more of his purposeful past history leisure by fishing and playing pool. He was very social prior to his diagnosis, and we've seen that come out of him again. He's been able to
I love that.
Engage and greet his peers and staff members, which has been amazing to see. Playing pool with peers at the facility, going on community outings, and really seeing him thrive has been such a joy.
Absolutely, and that's so wonderful. Dr. Gowdy, you actually have the rest of his story online on your website. Can you talk to us about where we can find more info?
Yeah, you can find information at wpmemorycare.org. That stands for Waterford Place, memorycare.org. You can hear other success stories that we have out there, and if you want to talk to one of our memory care counselors or request a tour at this beautiful facility, you can do that as well there, or you can call the office at 616-667-6000.
Wonderful. Well, thank you both so much. And I love all the info. We've actually got all of it online. You can visit us at 13onyourside.com.